Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
We're going to start off with a basic back sequence. So I'm taking a spiral round to my right and back to center. I'm going to do the same, but this time with a demi-plie and then back to center. When we're spiraling, be careful that the knees don't go with you. They're staying in that nice clean parallel directly to the front. So I've got one without a plie and then one with a plie. Back to center. We've got a high release, bringing the arms up. We go into a diagonal back. So a nice long spine, energy through the fingertips and through the tailbone. As I straighten my legs, the fingertips are going to reach behind, creating a nice long flat back. Then I'm going to swing forwards and find parallel. We take it into a nice tilt. Through the center, we've got an upper back curve. We've got a tilt back to center with an arch. Arms come back to second. We then take a middle back curve, gathering the space with the fingertips, back to center. Then I work through the feet, 1, push 2, up 3, lower 4. Then we do everything all on the left side. 3 things that I'd like you to think about whilst doing this exercise are really expanding the arms from the back. So when you're doing your middle back curve, we're thinking about using the space as much as we can and being nice and expansive in the room or whatever space you are in today. Also, when we're taking our spirals round to the right or to the left, lifting out of the hips, feeling nice and long, so that the hips are finding space and they're not going with you. And also in your middle back curve, try not to just reach forwards. I'm thinking of my spine going towards the back wall as I find my curve position.